Retrofitting FC51 with IC2 Micro. First, stop the drive and switch the setting from auto on or hand on to off reset, depending on the operation. Next, switch off the mains power to completely de-energize the drive before disassembly and wait for the capacitors to discharge. Disconnect the LCP panel and remove the terminal cover to access the wiring terminals. Now, disconnect the control cables from the I/O terminals, both digital and analog inputs and outputs. After that, disconnect the relay cables from the relay terminals. And then remove the main power cable connecting the drive to the grid. Followed by disconnecting the ground cable between the drive and the grid. Similar for the motor cables. Remove the power lines between the drive and the motor. Then disconnect the motor's grounding cables as well. Once all electrical connections have been removed, close the terminal cover. You can now proceed with the mechanical removal of the drive. After removing the old drive, mount the new IC2 micro drive on the wall. The overall dimensions and mounting holes are identical. Open the terminal cover. And start by connecting the ground cable between the motor and the grid. For electrical installation, connect the U, V, and W motor cables to the motor terminals. Then, connect the grid cable to the ground terminal. After connecting the ground terminal, connect the grid cables to the main terminals of drives, L1, L2, and L3 terminals. Now, reconnect the relay control cables to terminals 1, 2, and 3. Then, reconnect the digital and analog control cables to the I/O terminals to enable the drive's control system. Once everything is securely connected, close the terminal cover and turn the power back on. The display should light up, confirming that the drive is powered on. Switch the mode from local to remote mode to start the drive. For better operation, you can also use the graphical LCP control panel. To install it, open the terminal cover. Release the sliding door, slide it out, and put the cover back. Connect an RJ45 cable to the port, and then connect to the control panel. Within the panel settings, go to Parameter 5.5 Control. Under Reference Source, select Analog Input 33 as the default. Then wait until the drive is fully functioned. At this point, the drive is ready and fully operational. Now you know how to retrofit FC51 with IC2 micro drive.